Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 14th December current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Myristica swamp tree frog. It is a new one or elusive species. Myristica swamp tree frog. It is a rare arboreal species endemic to the Western Ghats, has been recorded for the first time north of the Shankota Gap in the Vajachal Reserve Forest in Kerala's Thrissur district. Here we have to underline the two important words, that is arboreal species and Western Ghats. We know that there are Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats are the biodiversity hotspots. In that we can see number of rare species like this Myristica swamp tree frog are different types of animals, birds and species. We can see in that biodiversity hotspots. Now it's time to the Myristica swamp tree frog. It was spotted or recorded for the first time at the Shankot Gap in the Vajachal Reserve Forest in Kerala. Here another word, that is arboreal. Arboreal means, right side you can see the picture, that means they can live or they can roam around their trees. That's why we will call it that species as a arboreal species. These frogs are rare and elusive for the reason that they are arboreal and active only for few weeks during their breeding season. The important reason why, because they are elusive, they are arboreal. That's why the arboreal species are important for our competitive exams. Next one, Western Sahara dispute. Here Morocco agreed to become the fourth Arab nation to normalize relations with Israel in as many months as a part of deal in which the US agreed to recognize its claim over the disputed Western Sahara region. Here right side you can see the picture of Western Sahara desert. In that Morocco is there. Here previously it is a former Spanish colony. Western Sahara is a vast arid region in the northwest Africa. Why it is important? What is the dispute around there? Here why? Because it is a mineral rich home to abundant resource of phosphate, which is a key ingredient in the manufacturing of synthetic fertilizers. Phosphate is a key ingredient in the manufacturing of synthetic fertilizers. That's why there is a, if you see that almost 78% of phosphates will reserve or will in this Western Sahara only. That's why there is a dispute between Morocco. After that, China has the 6% phosphate reserves. That is about Western Sahara desert. Next one, UNESCO Award for Creative Economy. Here the UNESCO has decided to launch an international prize in the field of creative economy in the name of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Here UNESCO has a favorite in that they have the present currently UNESCO have the 23 international celebrity awards in that creative economy in the name of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Here the award will recognize exceptional initiatives taken by cultural workers and organizations in the development of creative economy. Here UNESCO has declared 2021 as a International Year of Creative Economy for Sustainable Development. That is about UNESCO Award for Creative Economy. Next one, exotic wildlife species. Here the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is MOEFCC, has come out with an advisory on one-time voluntary disclosure scheme that allows owners of exotic live species that have been acquired illegally to declare their stock to the government between June and December 2020. When COVID-19 came into India, there is a there is a transfer of these exotic species from one country to another country in a illegal manner. That's why the Ministry of Environment and Forest Climate Change has come out with an advisory. It is not a law, it is a only advisory only. It's a one time voluntary disclosure of these exotic wildlife species. With this scheme, the government aims to address challenge of zoonotic diseases. The word important word is zoonotic diseases. That is, the diseases comes from these animals. That's why we will call it as a zoonotic diseases. Develop an inventory of exotic live species for better compliance under the convention on international trade in endangered species of wild fauna and flora, that is CITES, and regulate their import from other countries. That is about exotic wildlife species. Next one, as a part of previous paper analysis, we will see the 44th question. Rise of Pratiharas under the King Bhoja, establishment of Pallava power under the Mahendra Varma, establishment of Chola power under Parantaka I, and Pala dynasty founded by Gopala. Here the correct option is C. The correct chronological order is 2413. That is, establishment of Pallava power under the Mahendra Varman. After that, Pala dynasty founded by Gopala. After that, rise of Pratiharas under the King Bhoja. And final one, establishment of Chola power under Parantakataka. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.